name is Jessie Smith. I'm a programmer here at Titans of CNC. One of the biggest problems when it comes to milling 5-axis or 3-axis, either one, is fixturing. You know, how are you going to hold the part? Especially when you get into complex parts. So it makes it a lot easier to 3D print something that you normally wouldn't be able to make any other way. So this was used for our infamous ball in the box video. So it worked flawlessly for that. You know, you don't want to put a $5,000 part on here that you've made a fixture with that can't hold tolerance. And the thing about the Markforged printers is the quality far exceeds anything that I've ever seen. With the strength of it and the accuracy, you can see it with every part that we print.